What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back at again with another video. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys another live trade on NAS where I flipped this $100 account to $650. All right, guys, so this is gonna be a very interesting video. Like I said, this is another live trade with VIP, so there's gonna be a lot of price action, good information here that you guys can use when you guys on top of the charts here. All right, guys, and you guys see me drawing out my fibs, waiting for that break. I'm gonna be explaining the fibs too, because I know you guys had questions about that. And about today's video, I know I was supposed to upload the new strategy, but I'm doing some critiquing still. I wanted to hold it off, so I'm not gonna post it today. I'll post it sometime either tomorrow or Saturday. But don't worry, guys, you guys will definitely get that video. And I also been looking at the comment section, and you guys want me to do another free giveaway. So I'll do 2 giveaways this time. So I'll do a free membership giveaway, and then I'll also do a VIP giveaway. So all you have to do, you guys already know what the deal is. Make sure you guys hit that like button and comment below your favorite video. That's all you got to do, guys. And then you guys can enter the lottery, and I will announce the winner this Saturday. All right, guys. So before we get started, like I said before, make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy NTG. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. We're going to be doing some more live trades, and I'm going to have that new strategy coming to the channel. So you definitely don't want to miss that, guys. All right. And make sure you guys have bell notification so you guys get notified. I will be going live this week. So you guys have that notification on and get the chance to ask your boy NTG some questions. All right, guys. So you guys already know how we like to do it. All right. I'm going to have the profits on the side, of course, while you guys are watching the live trade, and I will be breaking it down. Without further ado, let's go ahead and roll the intro and get straight into the video. Let's get it. All right, you guys. So here we are on NAS. We're on scalping on the 5-minute right now. And I'm just with VIP. I wanted to come back to this fib extension. So you guys see me draw that fib extension from that wick low. And what I do is I drag the extension all the way to the break candle, and then I drag it back down to the wick. And that's how you want to set your TP for breakout trading. It's very simple. Like I said again, draw from the low of the wick, draw from the break body candle, and then back to the wick. And then you will get your extension right above there to the 2 TP. And very simple, that's how you'll get your TP for the fib extension. All right, guys. So I know you guys see a lot of things going on here. So first of all, let's talk about the pattern. We have a falling flag here. We were in an uptrend on NAS. So we are looking for the break to the upside. That will be our nice breakout trade there. And then you guys see my gold zones there, that I'm drawing out my false area. It's not, as you guys can see, this trade was back in May 19th. Okay. So like I said before, guys, I have a lot of live trades archived in my folder. So I'm just like uploading all my live trades from VIP. You know, I was busy with a lot of things, so I didn't have the chance to, you know, do my editing and stuff like that. But now I can do all the editing I need to. So here we are on NAS. And, you know, I'm just measuring out, you know, my risk. I'm looking at like how big the stop loss should be and things like that before the candle close, because we have to wait that minute. Remember, guys, always wait for the close of the break. OK, so make sure you guys remember that. Wait for the close of the break. And OK, you guys see me do my extension again from that low wick body break and then back down. OK, so I'm just drawing it out, waiting for that candle to close in about 40 seconds. And I'm just telling them, and I'm preparing them for this break, because what's so different about this break is you guys see that first false area is right at the break. And normally with these false areas, when it's right at the break, we can see hard rejections, right? So we get the break, say we get the close, the next candle, it rejects that resistance immediately, and it closes right back into the pattern. And that's something that we want to be aware of when we are trading the false area. So that's why we're just being very diligent, very careful with this trade. And I'm just letting them know that, you know, once you place this trade, make sure you guys have the proper risk, because we don't know exactly what NAS is going to do once it closes, right? So now I'm getting my true TP here. Again, I'm showing you guys again from the low, break body, and then you guys see my 2 TP right there. So that's where I'm going to drag my TP to. You guys, it's important to measure your TP with the market, okay, guys? All right, fib extension is my #1 way to take TP. I only like to take TP that way with my breakout trading, because like I said, it measures the market and that gives me an accurate TP level from that point, right? So let me go ahead and drag my TP to the top. And now, of course, you guys know the hard part. It's the holding, okay? It's the holding and looking at price to be able to get that that correct, judgment on, should I get out? Should I stay in? Should I scale in? These are the play. It's like playing chess, right? You're making the correct moves so that you can get the checkmate. If you don't make the correct moves, well, the market will checkmate you. All right. So here I am about to split my screen. You guys know I love to use that 1 minute. That 1 minute is like, it's that tag team. So I use the 1 minute, I'm getting my structures back. Let me just readjust everything right now. Right now I'm just deleting everything so it can transfer over to my 1 minute time frame. And right now the trade looks good. There's no like red flags as of right now with the trade going on. It looks like it's breaking that false area zone. We didn't get any immediate hard rejection off of the first area. So we're looking pretty good right now. Okay. Looking good. Just waiting for the market to do its thing, to let it, play out, because you guys know when you're trading the index market, it's all about that open session at 9:30 that really pushes the index market for it to go to our TP. Now, it doesn't have to be the 9:30 session every time. We definitely hit TP before that time, but you guys know, if you trade the index market in general, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to that open session. But we don't have to worry about that because we are already in the trade and everything good here. So here we are looking nice and bullish. You guys, if you have not watched my video that I dropped yesterday, I was talking about, the market, going in your direction so strong, and how traders start to scale in incorrectly just due to the fact that the market is going in a direction. Okay. I'm gonna mention it again, guys. If the market is going in your direction, right, and it's going well, it's going bullish, bearish, whatever direction that you chose to buy or sell, and it's going strong, looking like it's going to hit your TP, guys, wait for the pullback. As you're going to see in a minute or so, you're going to see NAS pullback, and you guys do not want to get in that drawdown to where you're in profit, right, but then now your break even is drawdown. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but let's just say you add a position right where NAS is at right now, right? If that goes against you and it goes back to your first initial position, you're going to be in drawdown. This is a situation you do not want to put yourself in, okay, guys? So this is why you want to be patient with the market. Right now, I'm just showing them like what we're going to be looking for to actually get out the trade early or to scale in, okay, guys? Like I said, I have numerous ways to scale in my videos, so you guys go ahead and check that out on the proper ways to add positions. But here we are, we're just waiting on the 1 minute. Got the profits floating very, very nicely. No red flags here, so I'm going to go ahead and skip forward to wherever the video may be. So let's go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and fast forward here. Oh, as you guys can see here at the 13:15:03, there's that rejection I was talking about. So I'm actually going to fast forward to the retest. So let's go ahead and get to the retest. Let's see. Get to that retest. All right. So here we are. Okay. I'm going to wait for that 13:24. Okay. So here we're at the zone and we have the retest. And this is exactly why I tell you guys, don't add positions too early, because now we're at our break-even position, right? But this is drawdown right now, and if we start to go more in drawdown, it's going to be very difficult to hold the trade. And then this is where that psychology is going to kick in for you, and you're going to be like, oh, I'm not sure if I can hold this trade any longer, due to the fact that you're in deep drawdown now. Like you have a position way where that wick is, and now it's in the negatives, and then your first position doesn't even have profit on it because it's a break even. So make sure you guys are practicing good trading habits with your psychology as far as holding the trade and not getting too impatient. And that's what it mostly is. Traders get impatient with their profit. It's not at a ideal spot that they want it to be. They want it to be at a good position, but that's not how it is. And you guys don't want to rush your trade. You don't want to push your trade to the max. Because as you guys can see, we're getting some good drawdown here. But still, like I said, no red flags here. We didn't get any 1, 2, 3 and golf confirmation to get out. Right now, all I'm just looking at is a retest off of that trend line. This is normal activities with the market. Okay, guys, this is normal movement. I'm not stressed about this at all. We're just waiting for that retest. I'm pretty sure once we get to that trend line of the pattern, it's going to reject, and then we can go ahead and come back into our initial position to hit TP. Now it's 5 minutes until that open session, so you guys are going to see in a second, NAS take off in that time. So we can go ahead and actually get to that part there. I'm not sure if NAS actually retested our trend line. No, I don't think it did. But let's come here at the 13:29:40. Okay, so it's about 15 seconds into that open session. So this is where you guys are going to see here. I'm drawing out my false pattern on the 1 minute just so to give me that confidence. Either are we going to break to the upside or break to the downside? And I'm telling VIP right now, if we close below that zone, we're closing our trades. We don't want to hold this, especially during that open session, because that open session, the market goes crazy at that time. Okay. But we broke above. So I was like, okay, so we look good right now. It look good. If we break above, if it closes on that 1 minute time frame, then we're going to be solid. I don't have to worry about any reversals or any loss of this trade right here. And then now I'm just on VIP. We should be good here. We should be chill. Once we hit the TP, then we can close our trades, or we can hold to that third false area, which I was telling them about. But to be safe, we just went ahead and closed our trades. And now at this point here, I'm just waiting for it to hit my second false zone just to make sure we don't get any rejection, because you guys know NAS can do this a lot where it does look like it's going to push to your TP and then it rejects immediately. And I think that's exactly what it did here. And when you guys are close to your TP, right, when you're 10 pips, 5 pips, even sometimes 2 pips away from your TP, guys, you gotta hold. Okay, don't get scared. I know, see for instance what NAS is doing right now. It went bullish and it looks like it's rejecting, right? It's going bearish. A lot of traders would get scared of that, and they'll actually close their half of their profit, not letting their trade play out, just because they start to panic at that movement there. And you guys see how it's coming back all the way to that zone, and this makes some traders tighten. It stresses them because it's like, I was so close to my TP, but now I don't know. Should I close? Should I stay? Should I close? Should I stay? And you start to panic and you're like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? And then by the time your brain is like, oh, it doesn't know what to do. It panics. And then what do? You close your trade. And then you end up making 20 pips, 10 pips versus, the whole 70, 80 pip you're supposed to hold, right? Don't get scared of those movements, guys. Okay, don't get scared. This is what the market does. This is how the market defeats almost 99% of traders. It defeats them all the time just because of that movement right there. And this is why I do these live trades, because you get the chance to see the trades play out live, and you get to see the active psychology. You get to see the holds. How a trader actually holds their trades to the TP. Even right now, you guys see that long wick rejection off of the zone. I'm telling VIP hold. Don't matter. You see me, waving it right there. It's right there at the TP. That's fine. We're going to wait. We're going to wait until it hits TP. We got to trust the system. You got to let the system play out. Don't let the markets play you. Okay, guys? That's a lot of you guys right now. The markets are playing you. And you can't fight back because you don't know what to do. Let your trade run. I know that the candles may look, it's a lot of wicks. It looks naked. It looks like it's going to reverse. But just know that you have to hold these trades, because this is going to be that difference between you being a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader. Okay, guys, so that is that biggest difference there. And I like this trade a lot. This was one of my favorite. You guys know my favorite was the big drop on NAS that I uploaded about 2 days ago. But yeah, but this was a great trade here. And yeah, we hit TP. This trade didn't take too long. It was about 30 minutes, from like 9:10 to 9 to 9:30. Pretty nice trade there. And we're coming back into our third false area. But I'm telling VIP, go ahead and close the profits. We had a nice back-to-back win trade for that week there. All right, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this trade. This was a nice little quick video that I wanted to post for you guys, because I know I said I was going to do the new strategy. But like I said before, I'm doing some small adjustments to it, just, making sure that it's nice and crisp. All right. So, but your boy is going to post that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. I got a lot more. There's a lot of content that I have been holding back, but now it's time to release on the channel so you guys can enjoy that. All right, guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy NTG. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at ntg.academy. And like I said before, guys, I'm going to be doing 2 free giveaways for regular membership and for VIP. All you have to do is hit the like button and comment below your favorite video, and that's it. And I will enter you in the lottery, and I will be announcing the winners this Saturday. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and comment below. All right, you guys. So like I said before, I'm going to see you guys with some more videos. It was your boy NTG, and I'm out. Peace.